Nope. Up. Stay there. Go on. Oh, the squeaker died.
Already? That was quick.
So it might be just jammed up.
Could be too cold for it.
Yeah. Hey! Oh, you guys. Connor. Oh.
You must be getting cold.
Not yet.
Aren't you out there in sandals?
Yep.
Yep. What's that? Oh. How did that get there? Okay.
I don't know.
You coming in?
Question. Come on, guys. Hey, what? What? Who let the dog out? Who? Who? Who let the dog out? Who? Who?
She took it?
Yeah, she did. Well, there's another ball here, Connor.
No, it's not as good as the ball that she's got.
No, never is. Hey guys, Grayson, come here.
I think I'm going to have to go in. Hey, it's pretty chilly.